Become a master of household chores by following these helpful hacks. After doing some heavy cleaning, soak the cloth in some mild bleach. Allow it to soak for 5 minutes and the stains are gone. No more detergent? Here's another use for bleach that you might not know about. You can use it on mirrors to make them sparkling clean again. Slime is fun for kids, but not so much for parents. Don't worry. All it takes is a little vinegar and some boiling water to remove the slime before machine washing. Tea bag dripping all over the place? Here's how to do it. Unpleasant smells? Place a denture's cleaning tablet in the drain. It will slowly dissolve, making the surroundings smell fresher. No more sauce? Don't throw away the bottle. The dispenser lid can come in handy for some recipes. Try it for dispensing pancake batter. Perfect. Blocked sink? Rock salt is an excellent, all-natural remedy. Pour it in the boiling water and you're done. Cabbage is good for you, but the smell of it cooking can be off-putting. Pour some apple cider vinegar into the cooking water to solve this problem immediately. Is the plug stuck? A magnet is what you need. Easy. Marks on the wall? Try this smart hack. Wow!